Alright guys, well we're going to be changing the ignition coil system here and see how things go live here at JW Solar USA. You just seen the first video. If you haven't seen that, stay tuned and let's go about it and take this cover out here. You can just pop this one. Okay, so we take that guy out and these are the coils. You can see them all the way here, all the way there. It's gonna be a long video, but I hope you watch it and stay tuned for that. And we're gonna go about it. So we're gonna try and get our socket here that's gonna be using number 10. If you can see that. See, number 10. So we have a ratchet here and we're gonna start taking out these guys one by one. Well guys, you can see I took the plugs right here. Hope you can see that on the video. And I'm gonna take this guy out. So we're gonna go through these, and I don't want the video to be long. This is how the boot look like. Okay. This is the one that came from the car, and let's see. Okay, but it says the name on the vehicle or the manufacturer right there. See that? Hyundai. So, and the part number is 27301-2800. Okay, so the other ones don't have that. So we're gonna see how we're gonna go about it. And say, it says here, I think it's YURA. Okay, let's put it aside and do the rest. Well, by doing so, I'm going to replace the new one here. I'm going to put this one back in as I go, taking that one out and putting the other one in. And make sure this side corresponds to the other tap of the engine here. So put the bolt back in. Replace one by one as we go. All right, guys, we got one down. We're gonna see if this one plugs in. There you go. It's in. So stay tuned for the rest of the install. Now taking number 2 out. Taking the 10 millimeter and take the boot out. Same thing. Take this one out and set it here. And we're gonna grab the new one and place it back in here. Okay. All right. So this is how the process is gonna go. If you haven't done this before, learn from me here, and we're all gonna learn together. Watch what I'm doing. Well, we got another one down. Okay. in. I want to make sure it's all tied in. This will be the third one out. There you go. And grab the new one and stick it in. So that's number 3. It's not hard. You know, I've never done this before. It's not hard at all. Subscribe and share. Now coming to the 4th one. There is this, I think it's a pressure relay or whatever, pressure something for the gas. It's here. It's on the way. There's a wire that came across, which I'm gonna zoom right here for you to see. Okay, it's on the way, this guy. So you press this and release. Take this off the way, and we're gonna take this bolt or right on the corner. It's got a little bit on a tight spot. That will be the most difficult one. A little bit struggle compared to the other ones that came out so easily. So, because we have enough room. Okay, put this on the side and do the same thing here. Take the plug out. Don't mix them up. This is for the spark plug out of the boot, and this one came out. So we have one, the last one out. And we're gonna replace that with the new one. Okay, and we gotta plug it in. Okay, and we have the bolt in. We're almost done here, guys. We're almost done. We're almost done. The last one. That's the socket making that noise. All right. All done. Yay. So we're gonna plug this guy back in and double check, triple check like usual. As usual. So let's stay here. Let me start up the car. Everything we already put back in place. Take tools off the way. You don't want anything fall into any of those things. So watch this while I'm gonna start the car and make sure everything is okay. And let's do it. Keep fingers crossed. Yay! It started. Guys, everything works. Everything works. Ignition coil, everything right there. So this was the guy I was telling you about. He's the one making that noise, but it gets so hot. I think it's a pressure thing for the pump. Yeah, it's getting warm. So those are the coils right there. Ignition coil. This is how you go about changing your ignition coil on your Hyundai veloster. Hyundai veloster. Live here at the JW Solar USA. Got the ignition plugs right there. ignition plugs. Take a good look of it. That's right there, you can find them. And this is the engine. Ignition coil boot replacement. Bye for now. Like and subscribe.